How do I close my pores? Pore size is an issue for many. There is constant search for treatments and products to help close your pores. So today's video is all about the pores. And first, we got to get a little science geeky here. So I hope you're ready. So what is a pore? A pore is an opening in the skin that allows oil and water out of the body. So basically, our skin is a detox organ. Our skin is the largest organ of the body, and our pores are the way our body detoxes. Our pores are always open. You can never close them because the pores are designed to expel oil and sweat from the body. So if you're somebody who has large pores, all that means is you produce a lot of oil. If you're somebody that has very little pores, it means you produce little oil. So you can't really shrink your pore size, but there's ways for you to keep your pores clean and tighter. We're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of pores. So don't use aggressive treatments or peels because what these do is they strip the skin and they increase oil production. Don't sit in the sun. The sun causes aging. And if we're damaging our skin with the sun, what that happens is it damages the collagen, and the collagen gets weak, which means the pores stretch out. Don't use charcoal masks. I know charcoal masks make the pores look tight and clean, but they're stripping the skin. They pull out oil and water. So again, you're increasing oil production. And don't skip washing your face, especially at night. During the day, our skin accumulates dirt and oil and environmental pollution. All of that sits on top of the skin. So if you're not washing your face at night and then your pores are trying to detox while you're sleeping, all that is going to mix together and it's going to clog your pores. And if you have clogged pores, that's going to cause a blackhead, which stretches your pores out. So now let's get to the do's. Do get monthly facials. A few weeks ago, I talked about the benefits of getting monthly facials. Shrinking your pores and keep them clean is one of the benefits. Do use a weekly clay mask. Now, I know I said not to use charcoal, but there's two that I do recommend, a bentonite clay or a kaolin clay mask. Both of those pull impurities or dirt out of the pore, which means it keeps the pores clean. So once a week, I recommend a mask. Do exfoliate, and again, once a week. Last week, my video was about exfoliation, so I'll have links to those videos below if you want to check those out. But exfoliation keeps your pores clean because the dirt and oil, again, don't mix on the skin, in the pore, and cause a blackhead. Do wear SPF. Like I said earlier, sun damages the skin and causes aging. So if you're wearing SPF daily, it's helping you so you don't age as fast. Do use bakuchiol or retinol. Now, this time of year, I don't recommend starting a retinol. If you've never used either one, I would recommend a bakuchiol now because retinol can increase sun sensitivity, whereas bakuchiol will do the same thing as a retinol without the issues of sun sensitivity. So what those two products do is they keep the collagen strong so it won't increase pore size. And then lastly, do gua sha. Gua sha improves muscle tone, but it also helps the pores clean themselves out. So again, it keeps the pores clean because it helps the body detox. Now, one last note is that a lot of times when we have issues with our pores, we take matters in our own hands. We're constantly searching YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram for ways to help shrink our pores. I don't recommend this because a lot of the so-called experts out there, all they're trying to do is sell you a product. And a lot of these products, they strip the skin. And when I say the term strip the skin, that means it's pulling oil and water out of your skin. So when you're stripping the skin, it actually increases oil production. So again, I mentioned earlier that if you have a lot of oil, your pores tend to be larger. So the last thing you want to be doing is using a product that's stripping your skin because you're going to continue to increase your pore size. So just remember this, our skin is an organ. And if we give it the right tools, our skin heals itself. So you want to be gentle and treat your skin with care. If you have questions, please write it in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell so you'll be alerted every time a video goes live. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back next week with another video.